In this class, we will see how to work with different date and time formats in Power BI. Like that, like we have different date formats like DD, MM, YY. First date comes, next month comes, next year comes. The other date format is month, date, and year. MMDDYY. Now we will see in this video how to work with these two date formats. For this purpose, I have taken a CSV file, comma separated values file. You can see that these are the dates available in my CSV file. I'll also show you the CSV file as to just compare with this file. The same file is loaded into the Power BI. You can see that the dates are exactly same when loaded onto the Power BI. Now I'll close this. I'll just if I want to extract the month column, the month from this date, I'll go to the add column and the date option and click on the date and select the month and choose month option here. Now you can see the title automatically came up here like month. So here the month is first month and month is second month and month is fourth month. You can see this. Now if I want to get another value from this column, I'll just click on this column 1 and go to the date, go to the month, and if I want to know how many days are there in this month, I'll click on days. So you can see January month has 31 days and January month has 31 days and February has 29 days and April has 30 days. Now I want another value from this column 1. I'll just click on column 1. I'll go to the date and I'll ask that I want the name of the month. So it gave me the name of the month. The first month is January, the second month is February, and fourth month is April. Till now we have worked with this format called date, month, year. Now we will be working with another format called month, date, year. So we will see how to change this format to month, date, and year format in short file now. You can see that these are all the applied steps on the data. First of all, when the date is inserted, it changes the type to date, and we have inserted the month, we have inserted the number of days in the month, we have also inserted the name of the month. Now now how Power BI know that I'm in the DDMMYY time zone, because if I go to the file option here, go to options, click on options, it will open up the options menu. If I go to the regional settings, you can see that I'm in the English India time zone. Now if I want to change my time zone, I can change it from here, but I don't want to change my time zone from here. Rather, I will change my time zone from here only, column 1. I will not impact the global settings there. So first of all, we need to select this column 1 and go to the option called using locale. But even before choosing this option, we should make sure that our selection should be in this change type. Only when we are in this change type, we have to go to the column. Then if we click on change type, all these 3 steps will be reversed. You cannot see all these 3 columns. Click on using locale. It will ask us to insert a step. Go ahead and insert this step. It will take some time there. Now it has shown us a menu, like we should select date from here, and currently we are in English India zone. Now we have to go and select the suppose we are selecting the English United States zone, where the format is like this: first month and next dates, next year. I'll click OK. Then I'll click this insert month, insert days, insert month name. Now you cannot see any change here. Everything is remaining same as of the earlier result. The reason is that I have to delete here change type, which previously changed the type to date, and we have updated the change type to English US using the like local. So when I delete here change type using the change type, it will ask confirm to delete. So I'll just confirm the delete. Now you can see here the difference. The This one has become the month and February, and this one has become the March and March. Uh, Somewhat confusing, but when you compare this data with the Excel available, the CSV file, you can now see the difference. This got changed actually. This is the original date, 2nd January 2024. Now it got changed to 1st February 2024. The same way, this also got changed. The original date is 3rd January 2024, but it got changed to 1st March 2024. It will update the month and date as per the time zone selected. I have selected the US time zone. So this is how it will be happening in different time zones. But if I want to insert some more data here, I'll select column 1 and I'll just go to here, sorry, month, not month actually. Yeah, I'll just go to the quarter and insert quarter of the year. So January, February, March will fall under one quarter. First quarter, January, February, March, they will fall under the first quarter, and April will fall under the second quarter. Again, July, August will fall under the third quarter, September also, and October, November will fall under the fourth quarter. Now, if I want to insert some more data here, just click on column 1. I'll just go to the week of the year. Now you can see that this particular date falls in first week of the year, and this particular date falls in 14th week of the year, and this particular date falls in 27th week of the year. Like this, we can work with the dates, different different date formats in Power BI. We'll meet in next class with another topic. Thank you.